Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the language in Chrome Canary on your mobile device. If you prefer using Chrome in a different language or want to match your device settings, first, open the Chrome Canary browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap on Settings to open the browser configuration options. After that, find and tap on Language to open the language options. Next, click on Current Device Language to view the available languages. After selecting your preferred language, Chrome Canary will start downloading the necessary language files automatically. Once the download is complete, click on Restart Chrome to apply the new language settings. Finally, after the browser restarts, your Chrome Canary interface will be displayed in the language you selected. Thank you for watching this tutorial.